How's it going, guys? I'm making another riding video. Honda's back on the normal tires, and tornadoes and thunderstorms are on the way. Perfect riding conditions, am I right? Alright, I'm gonna have to be like kind of easy on it for the first little bit, cause I don't know if my lug nuts are on there good. But screw it, we're just gonna keep driving. He's not home, but he said he wanted to be in the vlog. He's over at his dad's house. She don't drift like she did yesterday, boys. I'm telling you what. Is that a new fall? I think that's a new fall. I don't think that one's been down like that. Oh no, it might have. No, that's definitely new. Yeah, that's definitely new. Oh yeah, that's real new. Yep. Woo! Ouchie. Yep. You see all them holes right there that's in it? It's tree beetles. They'll kill a tree quicker than a fire will kill an ant. See this one? It's got a bunch of woodpecker holes in it, but it's also got a bunch of them tree beetles in them. See that? I just pushed that whole tree over. Look at them all. All them termites, ants in there. Nature's crazy. Ah! That stick just came up to the floorboard. That glove is still on the floorboard from yesterday's video. Oh, so I'm gonna start doing this thing where I add the last video into my, in the description. I might start doing it, I don't know. That's not a definite, but it's a maybe. I know it'll be easier for you guys to watch the last upload, but most of you guys will watch all the videos. Even if it ain't the entire video, y'all still watch the videos, so I appreciate y'all. I only know one person that watches my videos all the way through, and that is Brody. Brody's like my biggest supporter. I kind of timed that perfectly to where I wouldn't land on that. Remember how I said I gotta be kind of easy on this thing and I immediately start doing wheelies? Here, let's, Bigfoot? No, I'm joking. Let's go into the back. Actually, let's go do some wheelies in the front yard real quick, then we'll go into the back. I got something on my nose, but I can't. Never mind, yes I can. There's like just enough room in between my helmet and my goggles to where I can reach my nose. Which I guess that's normal for gloves, because if they cut off your circulation, I guess that'd be kind of illegal. But I mean, then again, these are military, like, tank helmet goggles. So they ain't the best. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be doing as good a wheelies as I was yesterday, but I mean, they're still pretty good. But I mean, they're still pretty good. Hey, what if I stand up? Like, completely stand up. Yeah, no, I can still ride better ones. Or I could still ride better ones. Yesterday. But I mean, like, I'm standing in one spot right here. Well, them feathers are still right there. For those of you who wonder why I go after I set it down all the time, it's because whenever it goes down, I'll let a lot of my air out, and it can't come out through my nose, so it comes out through my mouth. Like, that time it was through my nose, but it's still probably pretty loud, because this is it's not an excellent mic, but it's a pretty good mic. Rest in peace, Goldie, 2020 to 2023. And actually, I found what was left of her feathers, literally right down there. So my guess is coyote, fox that got her. But if it was a fox, I don't know why the rest of them would be like literally hiding. Don't hit the grandma's oak tree, thank you. I don't know why they'd be hiding under my deck right there. That was actually not a bad wheelie. That's the first time I've ever done a wheelie back here. And honestly, it wasn't bad. But I mean, it probably ain't too bad, because I mean, this is like a straight up and down hill, so. Okay, yeah, no, so note to yourself, don't hit the rear brake. You see how I'm doing this right now? My mom was probably like, what is he doing? That rear rack, I figured out what's squeaking. It's that rear rack. From doing all these, like, insane wheelies I've been doing, my rear rack is getting messed up again. So I'm going to have to quit doing wheelies, unfortunately. Unless he takes it off like he said he would. He said he might take these, wheels, or he said he might take that rear rack off. So if he does, we'll keep doing wheelies, but they'll be a lot more sketchy. So, because now I've got the potential to backflip it if I wheel it on a hill. But I'll have rear brake control, so. And I learned rear brake control on a 2013 Can-Am Renegade 1000 XMR, so. Well, it wasn't an XMR. It was an XXC that they turned into an XMR. What the frick just happened? Alright, here we go, boys. This is my, like, second wheelie hill. This is wheelie hill 2. I should have came back here with the Yamaha wheels and tires. Because That would have been litty. Woo! But yeah, I'm probably go back to the house, run one more wheelie, and then we'll end this video off. That's what I've become. I'm more so just become a wheeling channel. Or a wheelie guy. I don't really ride no more as much as I used to. I'm more so just stick to doing wheelies. Ow, ow. Sticks hurt. Especially when they go up your keister. I ain't trying to get my video taken down. For saying that, but actually, you know what? I'll end it off going up this hill. If you guys enjoyed this video, like I hope you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I love you guys, and I will see you guys maybe tomorrow, because I've gotten into a habit of uploading daily. So, peace.